Question 13. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 over 3 and minus 3 over 4. This question is just trying to make sure you get back your initial equations. Like when you factorize, you get this. So you're getting back this. If you look at your options, it shows you're doing a kind of quadratic equation. You're doing it backwards. So let's take a dive into it. Since we're given y as our alphabet, so we have y equals 2 over 3 or minus 3 over 4. Next line, we have y, then this 2 over 3 has a plus in front of it, although it's not written. It goes back inside. So when it's crossing the equal to sign, it turns to minus. So you have minus 2 over 3 equals 0, or y. Then when this minus 3 over 4 crosses the equals to sign, it turns into plus. So you have plus 3 over 4 equals 0. Next is y minus 2 over 3 in bracket y plus 3 over 4 in bracket equals 0. You can just find the LCM. I think that's an easier way of each of them. This is like saying y over 1 minus 2 over 3 on this side, and on the other side you have y over 1 plus 3 over 4 on the other side equals 0. For the first part, the LCM of 1 and 3 is 3, so 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times y is 3y. Then you put your minus sign. It's like solving fractions. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2 in bracket. Then on the other side, you have LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. So you have 4 in 1. That's 4 divided by 1. That's 4 times y. That's 4y plus 4 in 4, 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Close bracket equals 0. You can then multiply. You multiply the numerator separately and the denominator separately. So you have 3y minus 2, 4y plus 3 over 3 times 4 is 12 equals 0. You can at this point say 0 over 1, you cross multiply. So you know anything times 1 is that number. So you have 1 times 3y minus 2 close bracket 4y plus 3 close bracket to still give you 3y minus 2 4y plus 3 equals, on this other side you have 12 times 0, that's 0. When expanding, we can choose to repeat one of them twice and multiply the first by this 3y and second by minus 2, or we can do 3y times 4y, 3y times 3 minus 2 times 4y and minus 2 times 3. But for the sake of better understanding, repeat it 2 times. We are repeating the 4y plus 3 2 times. Then for the first value, we write in front 3y, in front, then this other one, you write it minus 2 equals 0. Then we have 3y times 4y. 3 times 4 is 12. Y times y is y squared. So you have 12y squared. 3y times 3, that's 3 times 3 is 9. Then with the y, then you have minus 2 times 4y. That's 2 times 4 is 8. Then the 4 has a plus. Plus times minus is minus. Then you have your y. Then you have minus 2 times plus 3. As minus times plus is minus. 2 times 3 is 6 equals 0. On the next line we have 12y squared, then plus 9y minus 8y, because they are like terms, although this is y with a squared, but it's not like terms with this 9y and 8y, so you solve them like 9 minus 8, that's plus 9y minus 8y, that's 9 minus 8 will give us plus 1y or y. Then you drag down your minus 6 equals 0. So our final answer is 12y squared plus y minus 6. Our final answer is C.